In this video, I'll show you how to download all your data from Instagram. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we will do is to open the Instagram app on our phone. Then we will click on our profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're here, select the three lines that you will see at the top right and then tap on Account Center. Scroll down just a little bit and under Account Settings, you will see your information and permissions. Now here, you will tap on Download Your Information, then tap again on Download or Transfer Information. Now here, you can select how much information you want to download. So you have two options. You can either select all available information that Instagram has from you or some information. In this case, I'm going to select all information. And then you will select where you want to download this information to. So you can download it to your device or you can pick a destination. In this case, I want to make a copy on my iPhone, so I will click on Download to Device. And then under Notify, go ahead and add your email. The media quality under medium is great. And once you're done, simply tap on Create Files. This might take a few seconds. As you can see, my downloads are being progressed, but once it's done, you will have an available copy of all your Instagram information on your phone. Hope that helps.